On my already moisturized skin, I'm using the new Maybelline Superstay foundation in the color Ivory, and this is a very full coverage foundation. Next step, I'm applying the Face and Body foundation by MAC with a big kind of kabuki brush. I'm applying this on my cheeks, and this color is 1 to 2 shades darker than my skin, and therefore it gives me a very nice kind of tanned look. Next step is contour. I'm using a cream contour from the Urban Decay Shape Lifter palette, I believe it's called, and I'm using the darkest shade under my cheekbones, on my nose, on my eyelids, you know the drill. Next step is Tarte Shape Tape, not foundation, concealer. I'm in the color beige, and I'm applying this where I have a little bit of redness going on. So next to my nose, my mouth, above my eyebrows to lift them. Next, I'm applying the Becca Shimmering Perfector in the color Opal. This is a travel size, and I love this glow it gives on my skin. I'm setting my face makeup with the Mercier translucent face powder and with the sponge. Then I'm using MAC's Harmony blush for contouring my nose, putting a little bit of color on my eyelids. For my blush, I'm using Warm Sober MAC, and I'm putting this on my cheeks. I love this color. It also has a little bit shimmer in it, but it looks stunning. Next, for my brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder in Ebony. It's a little bit too dark for my hair now because I bleached my hair, but I make it work.
Play it coy, trying to make it disappear, but just like the Battle of Troy, there's nothing.
For my eyeshadow, this is very simple and quick. I'm using a loose pigment by BareMinerals. I forgot the name, but I'm putting everything I use in the description box.
It's in my dreams.
For my mascara, I'm obsessed with this Essence Princess mascara. I'm applying just 2 light layers. For my bronzer, I'm going in MAC's matte bronzer, and I'm just now applying a little bit of eyeshadow, MAC's eyeshadow in Haux. For my lips, I'm applying an YSL lipstick in the color 24. This is a very nice nudish pink. Thank you for watching, and bye!